I hope you're all doing great, staying safe, and amazing. And today's video, we're going to be learning the most basic thing on Python, which is just basically print. And so this is really just the first thing that you have to learn, that you will learn because it's easy on Python. The program that I'm using is called PyCharm, and let's get into the video. So first of all, you're going to be typing print, and then you're going to be adding a parenthesis, and then a quotation. And then you can write anything you want. We're going to go with the basic and popular hello world. And now we can run this in two ways. You can run here, which has a, here's the run button. You've got it. Or you can run it here, where it goes run. We do that run. We do this, and you got hello world. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys got any questions, comment down below. I will make sure to answer them. Have a great day. Bye-bye.